Imagine a future where words morph effortlessly into moving images, where storytelling becomes as simple as typing a few sentences. Step into the realm of Sora, OpenAI's groundbreaking text to video generator. Sora is not your average invention, think of it as a digital artist, a data driven physics engine crafting vivid scenes and characters with the precision of its algorithms. From intricate landscapes to emotionally charged characters, Sora breathes life into mere words, spinning elaborate tales. While it excels at rendering detailed scenes, grappling with complex scenarios remains a challenge. Nevertheless, Sora's prowess is undeniable. With just a prompt, users can command Sora to create videos in various styles, revolutionizing traditional film production timelines. But Sora's impact extends beyond filmmakers and storytellers. It heralds a new era of personalized content creation, from tailored advertisements to bespoke movies. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The specter of misuse, particularly in the creation of deep fakes, looms large. OpenAI is vigilant, working to develop tools to detect misleading content and reject harmful prompts. Like DALL-E 3, OpenAI says Sora will have a number of content restrictions before launch. This will include limits on generating images of real people. Sora epitomized the limitless potential of artificial intelligence, showcasing innovation while emphasizing the importance of ethical deployment. During training, there were also red teamers and safety experts working to track, label, and prohibit use cases for misinformation, hateful content, and bias through adversarial testing. There are also metadata tags within the generated videos to label it as made by AI and text classifiers that will check prompts don't violate usage policies. This will also include a ban on generating videos showing extreme violence, sexual content, hateful imagery, celebrity likeness, or the IP of others such as logos and products. Rumors and speculation suggest that OpenAI also made use of synthetic video content, such as that generated using Unreal Engine 5, as this would also give it information on the physics of the worlds inside the video clips it ingested. The model will also be available as an API where third party developers can integrate its functionality into their own products, although that will come further down the line. Now, it's time for the most significant update. Adobe is revolutionizing Premiere Pro with generative AI, introducing advanced editing tools powered by the Adobe Firefly video model. Users can seamlessly add or alter objects and footage using the Object Addition feature, facilitated by Firefly's capabilities. Smart masking enables quick and precise object removal, maintaining non-destructive edits. Generative Extend intelligently adds frames to footage, ensuring seamless transitions. Transparency is prioritized with content credentials, informing users about AI usage. Premiere Pro will soon integrate third-party AI models like Pika, Sora, and Runway, offering flexibility. These innovations promise to transform Premiere Pro, empowering editors with cutting-edge AI capabilities. Today, the true impact of Sora remains to be seen. Will it enhance storytelling or pose a threat to traditional video creators? Only time will tell. In the meantime, let us marvel at the magic of Sora's capabilities today.